Hey Bill, I bet you never knew there was so much that goes into making screws, did you?
It's incredible. I mean, this place is huge.
It is. You know what? Let's check out the manufacturing process step by step. It all starts with raw steel wire. This high quality durable steel wire is selected for its strength and versatility. The wire is then fed into a machine that cuts it to the proper length and begins shaping the screw. Okay, once the steel wire is cut to length, that blank then moves on to cold heading, which is a two-step process. This machine applies extreme pressure, not heat, to form the screw's head. Cold heading allows us to create strong, durable screws without weakening the steel's structure. Cold heading ensures that the steel maintains its integrity and strength. This is key for screws that will endure heavy loads, especially in construction and framing projects. So the next step in the process is called thread rolling. This is where the helical ridges or threads are formed. These threads are what give the screw its grip and holding power. Unlike cutting, thread rolling displaces the steel to create strong, continuous threads without removing material. This ensures that the screw is as strong as possible with threads that are built to last. So this station also puts the tip on the screw.
Yeah, the tip of these big timber screws are really sharp.
Yeah, great observation, Bill. Big timber fasteners are designed and engineered with a sharp point for easy driving into materials like wood or metal. It allows the screw to start cleanly without slipping or splitting the wood. It's difficult to see from this vantage point, but the Type 17 tip is cut in this station. At Big Timber Fasteners, we use advanced pointing techniques. The Type 17 tip helps the screw penetrate wood without the need for a pilot hole, therefore reducing the risk of splitting. Once the screws are shaped and pointed, we strengthen the steel by heating it to high temperatures, and then we quickly cool it. This heat treatment makes the screws harder and more resistant to bending and breaking. Heat-treated screws are designed to perform under tough conditions, ensuring they can withstand the stresses of structural applications.
Man, it's hot in there.
Yeah, it is, Bill, but heat treatment's actually a very important step in the process to create a high-quality, durable fastener like Big Timber Fasteners. Once our screws are hardened and cooled, then we move on to the coating stage, which we'll come and see right here. Big Timber uses a dip spin process to apply protective coating. This coating protects the screws from corrosion and wear, especially in outdoor environments. The dip spin process ensures an even application, preventing problems like head fill, which is where the excess coating clogs the screw's drive recess. With an even coating, our screws are ready to handle the toughest jobs. Before any screws leave the factory, they go through rigorous quality control. Each batch is tested for coating thickness, ensuring that they're protected against things like rust and corrosion.
So that's how you can trust that they will hold up in the field, right?
Exactly, Bill. Our rigorous testing ensures each screw meets Big Timber's highest quality standards. Every step, Bill, from cold heading to threading, pointing, heat treatment, coating, quality control, and packaging is designed and engineered to ensure you get the best possible fastener. Even the boxes are rugged.
That was really cool. I can see why Big Timber makes the very best fastener.
I know, right? There really is a big difference.
So listen, you finally gonna hook me up with some of that gear?
You know what? I got you, Bill. Let's go see what we can find.
All right.